everyone. My name is Vinay Narayanan and I'm in charge of the Rajagiri team for Reboot Hackathon.
Navan, I'm from Rajgiri School of Engineering and Technology.
Aditya, I'm from Team Supercluster.
My name is Augusto Boni.
My name is Anisha.
Myself, Shraddha Suresh.
So the overall hackathon experience was very amazing. There were a lot of things to take away from this competition. We had a lot of fun. We learned a lot of new things. We learned how to work better as a team.
Right from the beginning, from traveling from Kochi to Kasaragod to going through the 36-hour-long hackathon journey together and winning the second runners-up was an amazing experience.
I understood what my limit was. I tried to exceed my limit. I tried to maximize the knowledge I had.
It was my first time attending a 36-hour hackathon, and I was so excited to be a part of it.
The amount of support that we got, especially from the mentors and the judges, as well as how the ambience of the environment was involved in a more productive status was amazing.
I personally never felt this kind of energy and excitement and tension all in the same room. So it was a lot different to a lot of competitions that I've attended.
If you ask me, the most memorable moment was when they announced their names, Team Supercluster, as the second runner-up. I had no words at the moment because we didn't expect it at all.
Suddenly, when I heard our team's name, I was like completely blank, and I was overjoyed. Like I was filled with happiness.
And I think till that point we were so anxious and so overwhelmed because we had put in so much of effort and so much of hard work for the 36-hour-long hackathon, and we had gone through so many ups and downs during the whole hackathon period. I think that moment was really very rewarding, and we were so shocked and at the same time so happy that we won the second runners-up. So I think that moment was the most memorable for all of us in the hackathon program.
So as for the methodology, I would say that the methodology we adopted was purely because of our experience in the previous 2 years. But we had the prior experience of how we dealt with the flood. Some of us were trapped in it. Some of us saw it from outside, through the internet and TV and all. So we had the idea of how to do this and how to approach it.
Problem statement that we picked was a flood management system or flood prediction system that can look into previous data or look into instrumentation recordings and also make predictions out of it. So what we did was we had two sections. That was to make sure that we have one side for the instrumentation, that is to get live readings, and the other side was for running analysis, that was using machine learning. So what we did was we split ourselves into teams. For one side taking care of the instrumentation to prepare a hardware for it, and the other side was to take care of the analytics. And together to make it all that for a better user experience for whoever is using it, we had a good front end. And putting all of these together was the way how we finally conceptualized our idea and find a good solution to the problem that we picked. Talking about the solution that we had and that we found for the problem that we took, it is basically a flood prediction system where we look into past data of rainfall during annually, and along with that we also look into how the rainfall is in the regions and how even the soil erosion is in the places, by not only just looking into the trends but also taking live readings of how it goes.
So for flood prediction, we used an ultrasonic sensor to record the depth of the river at regular intervals. And also we for the landslide detection, we used a raindrop sensor to measure the intensity of rain and an accelerometer to measure any soil movements.
So with these data, what we do is we basically run analytics and we try to achieve maximum accuracy as possible to get better predictions and to get more better trends about how things can be in the future. Suppose we take places like that has been having major rainfall, that is during monsoon season, or else we take locations that have been having the most landslides, say hilly areas. So looking into these data, both as well as how it has been in the past and how the nature is in the present, we are able to try to predict how it is going to be in the future. And we do our best to achieve data as possible so that we can make our model sharper and more better to learn and create better predictions for the future. And all of these will be compensated into a small, very simple front-end system, which is either a website or maybe an application if required. What we presented as a prototype was a website which was having the whole Kerala map, where each and every location can be selected to see the trends and how the weather is, and also look a lot more detail into each and every district also, and sub-districts within that location. The fact that our solution is bringing good relevance to the community is because flood has been a major issue for the past few years, and if we are able to bring out good predictions about how and where and when it can start affecting, then we'll be able to give better warnings, better insights about how how to prepare and when to start preparing and plan further ahead. So that is what we believe is a very good relevance of how our solution can work for the problem.
I wish the grand finale would be as fun and as amazing as the regionals, and I also wish that our team performed better than last time.
Everything turned online, so I'm really curious how a 36-hour hackathon is going to be held online.
If because of this COVID-19 situation, we were like the whole thing is event, but like whole event is on offline, which kind of like dulled us down. But we are definitely sure, since it's Report, it's gonna be that they're gonna keep up the excitement.
I hope we overcome all the new challenges that is going to come our way and stay together and overcome those challenges, have fun at the same time.
It's going to be a fun experience, definitely. It's something that's very new. Well, it's been a few months we've been used to, but it's something that is that would be a very great challenge for us to really try out and still hit the mark that we really want.
It's different, but it will be an interesting experience. So I hope all the best for all the teams, and I hope this turns out to be a successful event, and I'm excited for this.